Let me tell you a secret. There is one product in your home that has traveled a longer and more complicated journey than you might ever imagine. It started in a forest, passed through machines larger than houses, and finally ended up in your bathroom. I'm talking about toilet paper. We use toilet paper every single day. We never think about it. We just expect it to be there, soft, strong, and ready to use. But have you ever wondered how a solid tree becomes something so thin and gentle? Or what really happens after we flush it away? The story of toilet paper begins in nature. Most toilet paper is made from paper fibers that come from softwood trees, such as pine or spruce. These trees grow relatively fast and have long fibers, which make the paper both strong and flexible. In addition to fresh wood, many manufacturers also use recycled paper fibers, for example, from old newspapers or cardboard. Using recycled material helps save trees, reduces waste, and lowers energy consumption. After the trees are harvested, the wood is cut into small pieces called wood chips. These chips are transported to paper mills, where the real transformation begins. Inside the factory, the wood chips are mixed with hot water and sometimes mild chemicals. This process separates the fibers from the wood. The result is called paper pulp. Paper pulp looks like thick soup and contains more than 99% water. To make the pulp clean and safe, it is washed several times. In order to make toilet paper white, the pulp is often bleached. Modern factories usually use chlorine-free bleaching methods, which are much better for the environment and reduce harmful substances in wastewater. At this stage, the pulp still smells like wet wood and looks nothing like toilet paper, but it is now ready to be turned into paper. The wet pulp is spread onto large moving screens, where water slowly drains away. As the water is removed, the fibers begin to stick together. The paper then passes through huge heated rollers that press and dry it at extremely high speeds. This step is crucial because it gives toilet paper its thin structure and smooth surface. To make toilet paper comfortable to use, manufacturers often combine 2 or 3 thin layers, also called plies. Multiple layers make the paper stronger and more absorbent. Small patterns are pressed into the paper in a process called embossing. These patterns are not just decorative. They help the paper absorb liquid better and make it feel softer. Finally, the long paper sheets are rolled into giant reels, cut into smaller rolls, and packaged for sale. At this point, toilet paper is ready to be delivered to stores and used in homes all over the world. But the journey of toilet paper does not end in the bathroom. After we use it, most toilet paper is flushed down the toilet. It travels through underground pipes to a wastewater treatment plant. Toilet paper is designed to break down quickly in water, which is why it dissolves much faster than other paper products. At the treatment plant, solid waste is filtered out, and the water is cleaned before it is released back into rivers or reused safely. If toilet paper is thrown into the trash instead of being flushed, it usually cannot be recycled because it is considered hygienic waste. Used toilet paper is therefore never recycled into new paper. However, the cardboard rolls inside the toilet paper and the packaging around it can be recycled. Even more importantly, many toilet paper brands already include recycled fibers during the manufacturing process. Choosing recycled toilet paper helps protect the environment. It saves trees, reduces water and energy use, and lowers pollution. It is a small choice that can have a big impact. Toilet paper may seem like a simple, boring product, but its journey is anything but simple. It starts in forests, passes through massive industrial machines, ends up in our homes, and continues through complex wastewater systems designed to protect our planet. The next time you reach for a roll of toilet paper, you'll know the story behind it, and maybe appreciate it a little more. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.